Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Dimension webinar. This time, we would like to introduce our AutoGet portable intelligent fiber M-phase microscope. AutoGet has brand new hardware and software realizing functions such as autofocus, auto-exposure, auto-analysis, and auto-producing reports. And it has real-time image transmission and saving. Through 400 times magnification, the scratch and dirt on the fiber M-phase can be clearly obtained by AutoGet. AutoGet Fiber Inspection Pro is mainly used for single fiber, multi-fiber inspection in various occasions, such as data center, base station, optical equipment, and so on. AutoGet has some remarkable features. Its compact design and slim, and it has integrated functions such as autofocus, auto-exposure, auto-analysis, and auto-reporting in Excel format. AutoGet has some remarkable features. Its compact and slim design and has integrated functions such as autofocus, auto-exposure, auto-analysis, auto-reporting in Excel format. And AutoGet has 3 color indicator to show in the working status and a rich range of tips to meet the requirements for fiber optic inspections in different occasions. It's compatible with IEC criterions. Its quick inspection can be done right after one click. For more details, you are welcome to visit Dimension website. Okay, let's see how AutoGet works. First, we need to connect the USB cable to the laptops and install the suitable tips for fiber inspection. Right here, we take an example. We would like to test single fiber, so we install the UPC 2.5 mm tips right here. And next, we open the power of the AutoGet. Now, it shows the working status. It's standby. The next, we open the AutoGet software. Okay. It shows the real-time fiber M-phase. So let's see how to use this software. First, we would like to select the suitable task for this inspection. For example, we select this one, and we can input some information for this operator. And then we can name this file, for example. And the fiber inspection can be done just one click. Now we can see the result is passed. In addition, the user can adjust the autofocus right here, autofocus. And the user can do some adjustment for the autofocus. This is the micro adjustment. This is another smaller adjustment for the focusing. And the user can take the function right here. The inspection can be automatically started after the fiber connecting is inserted. You see that. Okay, that's all. Thank you.